Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can get the iPhone ringtone on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to get the iPhone ringtone, we can download a third-party app that will allow us to set the ringtone from iPhone. So let's open the Play Store, and then you want to search for something like iPhone ringtone. Here we go. And now let's use, for example, this one. Let's press install. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And once you download and install the app, then of course you want to open it. We don't really need to use notifications, so I won't allow them. Let's press consent. And now let's say I'm gonna choose iPhone 14 ringtones, and over here we should be able to choose, let's say, iPhone 14 Pro. And now we have the option to either download ringtone, and then we will need to set it up manually, or we can press set as a ringtone. So I'm gonna choose this one, and I'm gonna choose as a color ringtone. Now if you do this for the first time, you will need to grant permissions. So let's allow a permission for the app to let it change system settings. Then let's go back and let's see if this already works. So I'm gonna go back to the settings. Let's open the settings, then let's go to sounds and vibration. It's not set yet. Okay, so if you allow the permissions, then press this button one more time, and over here at the bottom you should see ringtone set successfully. So now if I go back to the settings, you will see that the ringtone is changed, and now I have different numbers. So let's actually hear the preview. Oh, it's actually not there. So let's go back. I think if we go to volume and use the volume slider, yeah, you can hear that it actually is changed, although it is wrong ringtone, so you should definitely use a different one. So instead of this one, you can try to find a different one. Let's say Pro Max. Let's actually play. Can we play it? Yeah, so you should use this one instead, and you should use the same buttons as before. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.